Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, as always, we're gonna be quickly going over some practice on Salesforce orgs, some cheat sheet, some cheat code, some functionalities that we can improve our performance and become a better admin on Salesforce org, on Salesforce CRM, and that's what we do, guys. Specifically, we will be talking about a list view button layout. So I'll be actually demoing it for you. I want to show you how you can hide those buttons or how you can display. Let's jump directly to my Trailhead org, and I am currently on the sales app, specifically on the leads, and I'm reviewing my leads records, right? On the right top section of this list view, I can see this list buttons. And then you might not actually interact with those. I'm pretty sure you're probably using a lot of the times, and most of your times, this new, right? You probably don't do import, or you don't do the change status, at least from here, or change owner. Change owner here will be actually nice to do so. So, the reason is what I'm trying to say. Some of the buttons are not very practical, or maybe not very helpful, at least in your role, right? So currently I want to show you how you can remove, or you can display additional buttons, right? So that's the whole goal of this video tutorial. Let's directly jump to it. So in order to modify that, guys, you need to go to the backend of the lead object, and then we can access the backend directly from settings by clicking edit object. And we already familiar with this section, right? And here you want to go to list button layout. Okay, that's where I'm gonna go. Currently we have a default list view, and all the buttons currently are displayed actually, but you might not be seeing them here. You might be seeing on the 1 2 3 4 5 6 buttons, right? So let's go click edit, and let's remove everything except the new. Okay, meaning I'm getting rid of all buttons except the new one. Okay, so I'm gonna go save it. Okay, let's see, let's go back to the front UI. I will refresh the page, and the buttons should disappear. Finger crossed. Here's my list view. Yes, I was a little bit scared because I thought even new button was disappeared. Cool, we only have one button displayed.